Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. Alright, how you doing? So today I'm going to make this fish curry. It's super easy, like no joke. We're using a dory fish, like a kind of frozen fillet fish, which we're going to just flour, season, fry, and then we're going to make a really simple, delicious coconut masala. Lovely. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so what we've got here is 4 tablespoons of a plain flour underneath there, and then 2 teaspoons of salt, pepper, turmeric and chili powder. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just drop all that in, and then we're going to just give it a little mix up. We've got some seasoned flour ready for our fish. Okay, and now for our fish. Now I've got 3 cups there roughly of a dory fish, which is a frozen fish. It's a fillet fish. I defrosted it and I just cut it into, decent bite size or over bite size pieces. Very simply, what we're going to do is we're going to put that into the flour, pat it, shake it off. We're ready for the cooker. Okay, really easy job. So I've done all that. A little bit of excess stuff there. Throw that out now. Don't use that for anything else. Let's get to the cooker where we're going to fry this off in some oil. Alright, so what you can do is you can shallow fry this, deep fry. I'm kind of going in the middle there. I've got like 2 to 3 centimeters of oil. Getting it nice and hot. What we're going to do is drop the fish in and cook it for just about 4 to 5 minutes. It will cook really quickly. And I'm not going to flip it over or anything, just leave it alone because it's quite delicate. I'm probably going to do this in 2 to 3 batches. Once it comes out, I'll put it onto some kitchen paper to get rid of any excess oil. Beautiful, out they come. Onto some paper. I'm going to repeat the process. Lovely and crispy. Only takes, like I say, 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, so the fish is done now. Just in shot here is 1 pint of coconut milk. I've got 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. I've got like 3 or 4 large dried red chilies, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and in here I've got a teaspoon each of cumin, turmeric, fennel powder, coriander, and 2 of chili. Let's get moving. Okay, so here we are. I've got a new pan here. I've got some oil in there. I've got about 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a sunflower. You can use anything else you want, really. Let's get those chilies in and the cumin seeds. And just for a few seconds, let them do their thing in that oil. They'll infuse it, give it a lovely flavour. And then we're ready to drop in 1 cup of chopped onion. High heat, as you can hear and see. 3 minutes, keep it moving. Okay, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. In that goes. And now all our powders. Let's take one more look, shall we? Turmeric, cumin, fennel, coriander, 1 teaspoon, chili, 2 teaspoons. Some salt. One pint of coconut milk. Stay on this high heat about 3 minutes. Beautiful, really lovely. Now I'm going to add in some little bit of fresh chili to taste. Then we've got our fish. We're going to get that in there. And we're going to go for about another 3 or 4 minutes, stirring that in. We're very, very nearly done. Beautiful stuff, really beautiful. Look at that. As the heat's going through, it's thickening up really nicely. We've got a lovely masala there. Off goes the heat. Fresh cilantro or coriander. In it goes. About half a cup, I suppose, there. Job done. Give that a mix. That is delicious. Really easy and really, really delicious. Beautiful. All right, and there you go. That was so easy, wasn't it? Just takes a bit of time to do the fish at the beginning, but the curry process is so simple. Look, I hope you enjoy that. You keep safe, you keep well, and I'll see you really soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.